If God is loving and merciful, why would He create hell? And worse, allow people to suffer in it forever? Isn't that the opposite of compassion? It's a fair question, but one that only seems hard when we don't understand who Allah truly is and what justice really means. Mercy without justice is not mercy. Imagine someone spends a lifetime committing evil, stealing, killing, destroying lives. Then on the day of judgment, he's told, "No worries, everyone's going to paradise." Would that be mercy? Or would it be an insult to the victims? Should the obedient be treated like the wicked? Allah asks us in the Quran, "What is the matter with you? How do you judge?" Real mercy isn't ignoring justice. Mercy without justice is cruelty to the oppressed. A God who lets evil go unpunished isn't merciful. He's weak. And the God of Islam is not weak. Allah's mercy is perfect, not passive. In some theologies, God is love itself, every act filtered through that one lens. But Islam gives you the full picture. Love is one of Allah's attributes, not the only one. He's Ar-Rahman, the entirely merciful. Allah's mercy isn't random, it's measured, intentional, and wise. Let me ask you, would you sell your eyes for $10 million? Most wouldn't. And yet, Allah gave them to you for free. Not just your eyes, your hearing, your heart, your family, your breath, your life. And still, many people live their entire lives, never thanking Him once. That's a sickness of the soul. You were born to know Him. Every soul is born with a compass, pointing to the truth. It's called fitra, a natural instinct to believe in one creator. That's why even ancient tribes with no scriptures still believed in a higher power. Islam doesn't ask you to suppress this nature, it calls you back to it. Worship the one creator, not the creation. Islam is rooted in a truth most people already sense. The one who created everything deserves to be worshipped, not his creation, not men, not idols. Other religions might ask you to pray to a man who ate, slept, and died. Islam says, worship the one who never dies, never sleeps, and never forgets. Is the one who creates like the one who does not create. Imagine this. Imagine your mother raised you, loved you, gave up everything for you, and not once did you thank her. Instead, every time something good happened, you thanked a stranger. Now imagine doing that to Allah, who created you and gave you everything you have, and instead you thank your ego, your money, or your statue. That's shirk, associating others with God. And that's why it's not a small sin. It's the ultimate betrayal. Indeed, associating others with Allah is the greatest injustice. But what about those who never heard of Islam? Islam is also just. The Quran says, "We do not punish a people until we send them a messenger." If someone never truly received the message of Islam, or only encountered a distorted version, they will not be judged the same. Allah will test them in another way, on a day when no one is treated unfairly. Why hell forever? Isn't that too harsh? People ask, how can you punish someone infinitely for a limited time? But it's not just about time, it's about intention. If these souls were given endless time, they'd continue to deny the truth. The Quran says, even if they were returned to life, they will return to what they were forbidden. Indeed, they are liars. It's not a one-time mistake. It's a soul that chooses again and again, eternally. Without hell, nothing would matter. If there is no hell, then why be good? What's the difference between a murderer and a martyr? Allah asks, shall we treat those who submit like those who spread corruption? Shall we treat the righteous like the wicked? If everyone ends up the same, then nothing means anything. Hell doesn't exist despite Allah's mercy. It exists because of it. If you truly understand Islam, you stop asking, why would a merciful God punish? And you start asking, what kind of God would be merciful and never punish? And as always, thank you for watching.